Hello, good morning to everyone. Today we are going to start our next exercise of fourth chapter, quadratic equations. Dear, in the previous class we have already learned how to find the roots or solutions of a quadratic equation by splitting the middle term. Today we will learn one more new method from which we can find the roots or solutions of the quadratic equation. Second method is solution of a quadratic equation by completing the square. How we will find solution? By completing the square. But this method is not in our syllabus. No need to note down it. By completing the square, this is not in our syllabus. From the last 3 years, CBSE has already deducted this method by completing the square. CBSE has already deleted this method. But now today one more method. It is called quadratic formula. By quadratic formula. How to find the solution or roots of a quadratic equation by using of quadratic formula. By using of quadratic formula. What is given? Roots or solution of a quadratic equation. Everyone know it is a general form of a quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and everyone know a not equal to 0. Because if a is 0, then it is become a linear equation. A, b and c are real number. Real number means they are maybe any numbers. Okay. By quadratic equation are how to find? Minus b. B mean coefficient of x. We will take minus b plus minus b square minus 4 into a. A mean coefficient of x square into c. C mean constant. Divide by whole, but divide by 2a. Understand it? If you know this formula, you can solve the exercise 4.3 easily, dear. Understand? Only one method you have to remember. What we call it? Quadratic formula. What is it? It is quadratic formula, and it is very important also, dear, because in the last exercise we learned how to find the solution by using of splitting the middle term. And suppose in any question, if you don't know how to split the middle term, you don't know, so what you can use this method also directly. Understand? It is very important formulas. Now we are doing first question. Look at, note down it, please. Note down it. Now we will do our exercise. So now we are going to start our exercise 4.3. So read the first question, dear. What is given? Find the roots of the following quadratic equation. We have to find the roots of the quadratic equation by using method of completing the square. But I have already told you, completing square method, it is not in our syllabus. So no need to do first question because CBSE has already deleted it. Okay, dear. Now we will start our second question. What is given? Second question. Find the roots of the quadratic equation given in question 1. Whatever given in the question 1 by applying the quadratic formula. Now using of quadratic formula, we have to solve the all part of the question number 1. So what is given? Look at 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. If we want to find if we want to find the roots or solution of quadratic equation, we need B, A and C. And A is coefficient of x square, B is coefficient of x and C is a constant term. So first dear we will find A, B, C value. So you will write using x square plus bx c equal to 0. We will write using ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We will find value to using ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then a equal to how much a? A is the coefficient of x square. What is coefficient of x square? 2. Next is dear, how much b? B is coefficient of x. What is here coefficient of x? 7. It is not 7 because coefficient of x is here b, positive, but here is negative. Whatever given we will take. Coefficient of x is -7 and c constant term. How much? It is 3. First we will find value of A, B and C. Only one question will be solved by me. All other part you will do yourself. So please concentrate it. So what we will do? So now after finding A, B, C value, we will write by quadratic formula. So what is quadratic formula? Is minus b plus minus. Always we will write first quadratic formula. If this symbol is under the root, square root, b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now I will tell you what is meaning of plus and minus. Look at. So look at minus b. B is how much? -7. Value of b -7. But we need minus b. So we will use one more minus sign. Plus under the root. What is b square? B is -7 square. Minus 4 into a. A is how much? 2. Multiply c. How much? It is 3. And divide by 2a. 2 into a mean 2. Understand it? Now look at what? Now negative multiply negative. Positive 7 plus minus under the root. Under the root -7 square 49. Now negative 4 into 2 8. 8 into 3 24. Understand dear? Now you can use. And 2 into 2 4. Now what is meaning? Everyone know in a quadratic formula, in a quadratic equation, how many solution or root of a quadratic equation? How many root? There is the 2 at most 2 root. But therefore it is meaning one time we will take positive. 7 plus 49 minus 24 5 4 and comma one time we will take -7 minus 25 divided by 4. So we will write, what we will write? 7 plus and square root of 25 is 5 divided by 4 comma 7 minus 5 divided by 4. So it is 7 plus 5 12. 12 divided by 4 comma 2 divided by 4. So what is 4 3 and it is 1 upon 2. So what are the root of the quadratic equation? 3 and 1 upon 2. And what is meaning of root? What is meaning of root? It is meaning if we will put in place of x is 3, it is satisfy the equation. Understand? You can verify also 3. 3 square 9. 9 into 2 9 into 2, 18. 18 plus 3, 21. And 21 minus 7 into 3. 21. 21 minus 21, 0. That is meaning our answer is right. Understand it? Understand or not? So you can write. So you can write x also. It is x equal to. It is the x values. All are x value. If you want to write x and x and x. So what are the root? X equal to 3 and x equal to 1 upon 2. So you can write x equal to 3 and x equal to 1 by 2. Both of the roots of the quadratic equations. So it is your. So you can write in last line. Roots are 3 and 1 upon 2. Understand? There is any problem? I hope no one is any problem, because only you have to comparing the general equation and find value a, b and c and put the value a, b, c in quadratic formula. You will write in every part by quadratic formula. By using of quadratic formula we will find value of its root. Note down it here. Now third part of the second question. 4x square plus 4 into root 3 into x plus 3 equal to 0. So first same as it is, like that previous question, using ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Find value of a. A is how much? 4. B is 4 into root 3 and c is 3. Same as it is. By using quadratic formula, we will put value x. What is b? B. But we have to write minus b. So first we will write b. B is how much? 4 into root 3. And what is? It is minus. Plus minus under the root. What is? B square. 4 into root 3 square. Minus 4 into a. A is 4 into c. C is also 3 into 2 into 4. 2 into 4. Now what we will write? Minus, we will using x also, because we are finding the value of roots. Roots mean what value we will put in place of x, then it is satisfy the equation. Plus minus under the root, yes, 4 square 16 and into root 3 square. Root 3 square mean root 3 multiply root 3. How much? It is 3. Otherwise square cancel to square root. How much? It is 3. So 16 into 3, 48. So it is how much? 48. Minus 4 into 4, 16 into 3 minus 48. Divide by 2 into 4, 8. Understand here? Now we will solve it. Minus 4 into 3 plus minus 48 minus 48, it is 0. Divide by 8. Now we observe that we have already found what is, we get 0 under the square root. So now I hope you can solve yourself it now. So what is the value? So we will write it now. So what is minus 4 into root 3, and what is square root of 0 is 0. If we will add or subtract 0, it is same number divided by 8. So you can cut 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja. So what is our root? Minus root 3 by 2. So what is root? X equal, it is x, okay dear? It is x. X equal to minus root 3. So what we will write? So roots are, everyone know how many roots of in a quadratic equation? There is a 2 root. So there is a possibility minus 3 by 2 root 2 and comma minus 3 root by 2. both are same root. Both are same root. Same root mean both are same. Understand or not? Understand it? So it is your answer. Because everyone know in a quadratic equation how many roots? There is the 2 root. So therefore we get x equal to minus root 3. So it means both are same root. Understand? You can write like this. Understand it, dear? So rest of part you have to do yourself. Now question number 3. So now third question, first part, x minus 1 upon x equal to 3 and one more condition, x not equal to 0. What is meaning? It means x may be any number but it is not become 0. So we have to find the root of the following equation. We have to find the root of this equation and you can find the root by any method. If there is a given by using of quadratic formula, then you have to use quadratic formula. Otherwise, you can use any method, dear. Understand it? So why we write x is not equal to 0? Because if I ask you 0 divided by any number is 0, and if I ask you 1 upon 0, whenever we write 0 in denominator, so we cannot not defined. It is value is not defined. It means we don't know what is value when any number is divided by 0. Okay, not defined. Okay, otherwise you can say that infinity. Okay, so that's why, because it is 1 upon 0, it is, we don't know its value. That's why we write x not equal to 0. So how to solve, how to find its root? Root we can find easily if there is a quadratic equation or a linear polynomial, but it is not a linear polynomial or a quadratic polynomial. So we will check it. Okay, dear? So it is a fraction 5 minus 7 by 8. How we will add or subtract? By taking LCM. To take LCM, x. So x into x, x square minus x divided by x, 1 equal to 3. Understand, dear? Next is x is here, divide another side, multiply x square minus 1, 3 into x, 3x. Now you can write x square 3x minus 1 minus 3x equal to 0. And always remember, dear, we will write the powers of variable always in descending order. So you will write it x square minus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. Understand it? So you have to find its root by using any method. So we will write by comparing ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So a equal to coefficient of x square how much? 1. B minus 3. C is also minus 1. So we will write by using quadratic formula. By using quadratic formula, x equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. I hope you can solve yourself now. It is, yes, x equal to minus b. B is b value minus 3, and but we have to write minus b. So first minus and now b. B how much? Minus 3. So 2 times minus. Because many students did mistake in writing minus b. What is that? They will write only minus b actually, but it is become positive. Plus minus under the root b square minus 3 square. So that's why it is better first we will write a, b and c. B square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is minus 1. Divide upon 2 into minus 1. So we will write x negative negative positive plus minus under the root minus 3 square 9. Negative into negative positive. 9 plus 4 divide upon minus 2. Understand? So you can write x equal to 3 plus minus under the root 13 divided by minus 2. So therefore x equal to 3 plus under the root 13 divide minus 2, or x equal to, second is x equal to 3 one time negative. So what are root? So these are the root. So it is very important formula, quadratic formula. If you don't know in any question how to splitting the middle term, so you can use quadratic formula. Understand it dear? So note down it. And next part, second part of the third question you have to do yourself. Same as it is, we will take the LCM and we will solve it, then we will solve it. Understand? Please note down it. Now fourth question dear, the sum of the reciprocals. You should be know what is reciprocals. Do you remember in 7th class we will learn reciprocal. What is reciprocal? Reciprocal of 7 upon 5 is 5 upon 7. It's what is meaning of reciprocal? It means numerator become denominator, denominator become numerator. Reciprocal of 5, 1 upon 5. Understand it dear? Reciprocal of Riemann is the sum of whose sum? The reciprocal of Riemann is 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 upon 3. Find the present age. So first we want to find present age. So let Riemann present age is x years. But in the question is given whose sum? The sum of reciprocals. The age 3 years ago. So we will find first what is the Riemann age before 3 years. So Riemann's age 3 years ago. Ago means today you are 7 years ago. So 3 years before. So 7 minus 3. You are 4 years old. So 3 years ago is x minus 3. Same as it is. Riemann's age after 5. After 5 years you are today 7. After 5, 7 plus 5, 12. So after 5 years, today you are x here. So x plus 5. Now, according to question, we will write equation. What is given? The sum of, we will write use the sum of whose reciprocal of Riemann is 3 years ago. So what is reciprocal of 5? 1 upon 5. Reciprocal of x minus 1 by 3. 1 upon x minus 3. And whose sum? 3 years ago. So sum of 1 upon x minus 3 plus and 5 years from now, after 5 years. So what is reciprocal? 1 upon x plus 5. So 1 upon x plus 5 is mean equal sign equal to 1 upon 3. Same as it is equation given in third question, second part. So we want to find value of x. So first we will convert this equation in quadratic equation. What we will do? Both are fraction. So taking LCM. And always remember 7 upon 5 plus 8 upon 2. And if there is a no common in denominator, 5 and 2. So what is LCM? 5 into 2. Both are multiplied or not? Same as it is, we will multiply both denominator. LCM x minus 3 into x plus 5. So what we will do next step? LCM x minus 3 into x plus 5 is divided by denominator. Denominator is x minus 3. So x minus 3 cancel x minus 3. What is remain? X plus 5. So x plus 5 into 1. So x plus 5. Same as it is, LCM is divided by x plus 5. X plus 5 cancel x plus 5. What is remain? X minus 3 equal to 1 upon 3. Understand it? Now we will solve it. X plus x, 2x. 5 minus 3, 2. Now it is x minus 3 dear, and it is x plus 5 equal to 1 upon 3. Now what we will do? Now we will do cross multiply. Like this one. Denominator multiply numerator. Denominator multiply numerator. So 3 multiply this number. So we will write 3 into 2x minus 2. 2x minus 2 equal to. And 1 multiply by any number. Same number. So x plus 3 into x plus 5. So we will solve it. So it is 6x minus 6 equal to. Taking first term and multiply by both term. X into x, x square plus 5x plus 3x plus 50. Understand? So what we will do? We will remove all the terms on left side, or we will remove on right side. So it is, we can write 0. X square. You can write otherwise. X square as it is plus 5x plus 3x, 8x plus 15 equal to 6x minus 6. So 6x another side, negative 8x minus 6x plus 15 minus 6 another side, positive equal to 0. So now x square plus 2x plus 21. So now you can solve this equation. It is a quadratic equation, and this equation can be solved by using of quadratic formula. Find value A, B and C. A is 1, B is 2, C is 21. Solve yourself like first question or second question. Okay. So please find the value of Riemann X. So you can write, I am writing here. You can write by using quadratic formula. So you will write formula. I am writing direct. Okay. Minus b. B is 2 plus minus under the root b square. B is 2. 2 square 4 minus 4ab. A is 1 into C, like this one. So it is 2a. 2 into 1 2a. So minus 2 plus minus. So what you will write? You will write 4 minus. So solve it. Please solve it yourself. Yes dear, we did one mistake. What is 5 minus 3 plus 2? 3 into 2, 6x into 2. It is plus 3. It is also plus 6. So we did mistake. Because a small mistake also, if there is any mistake, our answer will be wrong definitely. Okay. So it is also minus. It is how much? It is 9. So 9. So what we will write? 9 into 4, 30. So we will write 4 into A. A is 1 into C, 9 to A. So you have to solve yourself this question. Okay. And one more mistake here. It is x minus 3. We write here positive, negative. So again minus 3x and minus 15. We did. So 5x minus 3x, it is 2x. It is negative. And 2x minus 6x, it is minus 15. And what is? It is become minus 4x dear. It is 4x. It is how much? It is minus 21. And now we will write b is minus 4. So please do yourself it. So again I am writing here, look at. So b A is 1, b is minus 4 and c is minus 21. So it is minus b. Minus b, it is minus 4. Minus 4 minus 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 4 plus minus b square. B square 16 minus 4 into a is 1 into 21. Divide by 2a. 2 into 1 2a. I am writing direct. Plus 4 plus minus 16 plus it is under the root 100 divide by 2 and it is become 4 plus minus 10 divide by 2 and it is become 4 plus 10 14 divided by 2 or next is one time negative 4 minus 10 minus 6 divided by 2 and you can write x. So you can write in last line. So what is you can write x equal to 7 divided by this one and or x equal to minus 3. But percentage is x here. Which one is possible? Negative is possible. X. So you can write x equal to 3 minus 3 is negative which is not possible because every time a is always in positive because today we are 5 years any day your age maybe become minus 2 years. No, it is always positive. They will write x equal to minus 3 is negative which is not possible. So therefore you will write Rehman age is x equal to 7 years. Understand here? So please note down it and you have to solve yourself and you have to do one more. This type of question is very important. You have to do example number homework. Example number 14, 13, 14. You have to find example number 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. All examples are very important. You have to do in your notebook also. Okay dear? So note down it. So thank you everyone. Have a nice day.